Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel Target SBA. Today we are going to do our to-do list day 26 ka score booster topics simplifications. Question number 1. 5.55% of 324. 5.55% means 1 by 18 of 324 plus 118 plus 24 into 17 times, which is 408 plus 34 into 38. We make this as 36 square minus 2 square means 1292 is equals to question mark cube plus 836. So this is 18 times. And by adding all these three, 136, 408, 1296, 1292 minus 836, we get 0, 0, 0, 1 equals to question mark cube. Therefore, our answer is 10. Question number 2. Double 375 divided by 5 minus cube root of 1331 means 11 into 121 by 11 plus 105 into 5 divided by 3, 335 into 5 equals to question mark cube. This is 675 minus 121 plus this is 5 5 is a 25, 5 3 is 15, 17, 175 equals to question mark cube 5 166 plus 5 11. This is minus 1, this is 9 2 7 equals to question mark cube. Therefore our answer is 9 cube. So our answer is 9. Third one, 405 into 25 by 9 45 times plus 115 into 25 5 7 8 2 minus 19 square minus 242 into 4. 242 into 4 is 968 plus 19 square 361 equals to 3x. Here 45 into 25 is 1125 plus 2875 minus 968 plus 361. We total get 3933 equals to 3x. Therefore x equals to 1131. This is our answer. Now question number 4. 21 into 5 divided by 7. 7 3 is a and 3 5 is a 15 plus 14 into 21 by 2. 7 into 21. 7 1 is a 7, 7 2 is a 14, 147 plus 45 into 3 by 5. 9 3 is a 27 minus 16 into 3 48. This is equals to question mark. Now by taking this we get 8 means this is Therefore, question mark is equals to 141. This is our answer. Question number 5. 333 into 4, which is 1332 plus 115 into 2 by 5 means 23 into 2 minus 625 into 3 by 25 means 25 3s are 75 equals to question mark plus 46 minus 75. We get 1303 equals to question mark. This is our answer. Now we are moving for quadratic equations. First one, x square minus 6x plus 9 equals to 0. Here the roots are positive 3 and positive 3. Y square minus 5y plus 6 equals to 0. Here the roots are positive 3 and positive 2. Comparing these two, x is greater than or equals to y. Now the second question, 15x square plus 8x plus 1 equals to 0. Here the roots are in negative. Y square minus 4y plus 3 equals to 0. Here the roots are in positive. So by comparing these two, x is lesser than y. Third one, x square minus 9x plus 20 equals to 0. Here the roots are plus 5 plus 4. Y square minus 13y minus 90 equals to 0. Here the roots are plus 18 minus 5. By comparing these two, x is greater than y and x is lesser than y. So no relation here. Fourth one, 2x square minus 7x minus 4 equals to 0. Here the roots are positive 8 and minus 1. Y square minus 25y plus 136 equals to 0. Here the roots are plus 17 plus 8. To make the base equal, we multiply this with 2. This is 34 plus 16. By comparing these two, x is lesser than y. Fifth one, 3x square minus 20x plus 12 equals to 0. Here the roots are in positive. 5y square plus 15y plus 10 equals to 0. Here the roots are negative. By comparing these two, x greater than y. X is greater than y. Now we are moving for approximations. First one, 24.7% means 25% means 1 by 4 of 39.7 means 40%. 40% means 10 into 500. Now we get 10 no 50 here plus 12 square 144 plus 144 plus 11.1 into 2.3 means 22 plus 22 equals to question mark cube. So we get 612 is equals to question mark. Therefore question mark equals to 6. Our answer is 6. Second one, cube root of 1730 which is nearly equals to 12 cube plus square root of 156.26 means this is nearly square of 125 minus cube root square root of 13230. It is nearly square of 115 plus square root of 729 which is 27 equals to question mark square. We get 12 plus 10 plus 27 which is 49. 49 is 7 square. So our answer is 7. Third one. Third question. 33.9 means 34 by 24 into 3 divided by 17 into 8 divided by 30 into 165. If you remember, this is the question yesterday we have given. 17 2 times 8 3 is 24 to 15 times 15 11 times. So our answer is 11. Fourth one. Square root of 1020 plus 25% means 1/4 of 472 equals to 90 divided by 330 plus 4x. This is 32 plus 4 118 equals to 30 plus 4x. We get 120 equals to 4x. Therefore, x equals to 30. This is our answer. Question number 5. 511.7 whole power 1 by 3 means 512 power 1 by 3, which is 8, into square root of 483.8 means 22 plus 52% of 549.9. This is 52 divided by 100 into 550 plus minus question mark equals to 130 into 3. This is 11 times, this is 26 times 176 plus 286 minus 390 equals to question mark. This is therefore our question mark is nearly 74. So our answer is 74. Our answer is 74. Now we are moving for wrong number series. Wrong number series, question number 1. 125, 345, 999, 2955, 8816, 2326, 397. Here this is into 3 minus 30. Here this is into 3 minus 36. Here into 3 minus 42. This is into 3 minus 48. But we get this is the wrong number. Our right number is 8817. This is our right number. This is into 3 minus 54. So our wrong number is 8816. Second one. 336, 364, 332, 361, 328, 357. Here the difference is 28. Difference is 32 plus 29 minus 33 plus 29. If it is minus 33 and this is plus 29, so this might be the wrong. If it is 365 minus 33 equals to 332. So our wrong number is 364. Third one. 17, 29, 65, 124, 209, 317. Here the difference is 108. Here the difference is 85. Difference is 59. Here 36. Here the difference is 12. We go for further differences. Plus 23 plus 26 26 23 26. This is 23. If it is 23 and it is 26 plus 23, this must be 26. So if it is 26 here, this is the wrong, so it is the wrong number. So our right number is, if it is 10 here, we get 26 difference, and this is 19 plus 10 equals to 29, so we get this. So wrong number is 17. Fourth one, 8190 4813 2518 1287 558 215. Here the difference is 3375 minus 15 cube. If we do the 15 cube here, we get 4815 4815 minus 2518 is 2197, which is 13 cube. So this is our wrong number. If it is, the difference here is 1331, so this is 11 cube. Here the difference is 729. As it is true that our wrong number is 4813, our right number is 4815. Question number 5. 670 688 661 679 652 660. Here the difference is 18. Here the difference is 27 18 27. Here it must be 18, so our wrong number is this one. Right number is 670. Now we are moving for missing number series. Missing number series. First one, 35 64 97 dash 197 280 plus 29 plus 33. Here plus 83. Here the difference is 4. 4 is 2 square, let it be 3 square 9. This is 42. It is 16 here, 58 here. This is 25. Yes, it is true. Now 97 plus 42 is 139. This is our missing number. Second one, dash 112 214 333 469. Here the difference is 136. Here the difference is 119 102. Here the difference is 17. Here the difference is 17. If it is 17 here, our number is 85. If the difference is 85 here, our number is 27. This is our missing number. Third one, 87 208 64 233 dash. Here the difference is 121. Here the difference is 144. Here the difference is 169. So it must be a difference. It is positive, negative, positive. It is negative of 196. So our number is 37. This is our missing number. Fourth one, 420 60 360 72 288. By seeing these numbers, it is clear that this is divided by 7 times. This is into 6 times, divided by 5 times, into 6 into 4 times, divided by 3 times, which is 96. This is our missing number. Fifth one, 15, 126, 348 dash 1125 1680. Here the difference is 555. Here the difference is 222. Here the difference is 111. So it must be 333. It must be 444. So 348 plus 333 equals to 681. This is our missing number. Now we are going for inequalities. For inequalities, we don't need any paperwork, so we go through the questions directly. Here are the questions. L to A. L to A is not possible. K to N. K to N is also not possible. Neither one nor two. Y to V. Y to V is possible. Q to P. Q to P is not possible. Only one. T to U. T to X. X to U. First one is possible. S to T. S to Y is possible. Y to T is not possible. Only one. U equals to P. May be possible, but this is false. U to P. U to P. Maybe U to P. Okay, maybe it is true, but this is false. But either case is possible here. Either one or two is here. T to A. T to A. S to X to I. X to I. This is also true. Both 1 and 2. Now we are moving for our last topic, syllogisms. Syllogisms. First question. Only few summer is winter. No winter is spring. All winter is monsoon. Conclusion 1. Some monsoon is not spring. Some monsoon is not spring. True. Second one. Some summer is not spring. Some summer is not spring. True. Both 1 and 2 is true. Conclusion 2. Second statement. Only a few sand is soil. No sand is pebble. Only a few pebble is rock. Conclusion 1. Some rock is sand. Some rock is sand. No, it is not true. Conclusion 2. All soil can never be pebble. All soil can never be pebble. True. Only 2 is here right. Third one. All necklace is earring. All necklace is earring. All earring is no spin. No spin. Only few earrings is Mang Tilak. Conclusion 1. No necklace is Mang Tilak. No, it is not true. Second one. Some Mang Tilak being no spin is a possibility. It is already in sharing, but it's saying is possibility, so it is also wrong. Neither one nor two. Question 4. Only few umbrella or stick. No stick is coat. All coat is white. Conclusion 1. Some coat is umbrella. No. Some white is not stick. Some white is not stick. True. Second one is true. Fifth one. Only a few monkey. Only a few monkey is chimpanzee. Only few chimpanzee is lagoon. Only few chimpanzee is lagoon. Only lagoon is gorilla. Gorilla don't share with anything. Conclusion 1. Some lagoon is not chimpanzee. Some lagoon is not chimpanzee. True. Second one. All chimpanzee being lagoon is a possibility. All chimpanzee being lagoon is not possible. So only one is true here. By this we have completed our day 26 score booster topics. We will continue with the 27 score booster topic for tomorrow.